So in this video we will be talking how YCSB works. So what YCSB does, it works in two parts. First in a loading phase, then in a running phase. So in the loading phase, it loads data in the database, and in the running phase, it performs operation like read operation, update operations, some insert operations. So in such a way it works in a running phase. And finally, it is done with its operations, or we can say benchmarking. So a benchmarking is actually finding the performance of some software or any other thing. So what we say YCSB benchmarks database. That's how we use this word benchmarking. So in the next video and upcoming videos, we will be talking about benchmarking mode only. So let's talk about the loading phase. So during the loading phase, YCSB inserts data in the database. After it's over with that operation, it calculates a result. So in the result, it is written like how much time it took to perform all the operations, how much throughput was there, how much operations per second he was able to do that. Like suppose YCSB insert 1 million records in the database. So it will tell how much time it took to insert 1 million record, like 60 minutes or 40 minutes, like that. Also, it will tell the throughput like per second how much records were on an average inserted, like per second 30 records per second were inserted. So this kind of things are there in the result. So once we are done with the loading phase, because we have to load the data in the database just to perform the runs operation. So if you want to read the data into the database, there should be some data inside that. So that is taken care by the loading phase. So after loading phase, we have a running phase. So in the running phase, different kind of operations are performed in the database. Like it performs read operations, write operations, or read write mix operations. So such kind of operations are performed during the running phase. And once the running phase is also over, it gives us certain kind of result to us, like how much time it take to perform the experiment, how much operations per second on average were performed. So such kind of things are there in the results of that running phase. So that's how YCSB works. YCSB benchmarks the database and come up with the results. Thank you.